Hello, everyone. This is Quan from OpenBox Science. Today, I'm going to show you step by step of how we can implement security features in Zoom to prevent people from trolling your meeting. Again, we're OpenBox Science, an effort dedicated to making science talks available, and we have hosted many science talks on Zoom and post them free on YouTube and have learned a lot through this experience, so we hope to share with you. Okay, number one, when you go to set up your meetings, it's very helpful when you click schedule a meeting either here or here. And after designating your topic, description, and time, if you can require registration, that's often pretty helpful for people to add one extra step that a lot of trolls won't have effort to go after. And you can even enable passcode where if you have a lister, for example, to share the password with your people, then you can only allow people with the password to join. The other thing that we found really helpful is that you can enable waiting room where only you can enable people to join the meeting even after the click into the Zoom link. And that option is also available once you schedule a meeting and go to the setting to modify that. In the settings, there are several other things we can do to prevent trolling. So aside from a waiting room, you see you can also enable passcode here that we've already talked about. But here, I think it's very helpful to start with the videos turned off for both hosts and participants. Sometimes people are not trolls, but they're just not ready for the meeting. And it's helpful for them to not be turned on in videos and audios when they join the meetings. And you can use that option here, mute all participants when they join the meetings. A note of this is that sometimes the participant will require you to unmute them before you can speak. And so if you need your participant to speak, this is an option you can do in your Zoom meeting. One other thing we found really helpful is that a lot of times we invite speakers and it's helpful to make them as co-host because you can allow screen sharing by the host only. And when you do that, only the host can share screen. So that means only you and the people you've added as co-hosts. If you have presenters, that's really helpful. The other way you can do it is you can allow anyone to share, but when someone is sharing, only host can interrupt that sharing and share their own screen. So that if you have a speaker who's sharing the screen already, the other people cannot just throw and add their own screen overlay on top of that. And finally, we found it really helpful to disable annotation, meaning that people cannot just scroll randomly on the screen that everyone can see. And with that, I think those are the features we implement to make our meetings free of trolls and allow participants to also share their thoughts at the same time. And we welcome any comments you have and hope you success in hosting your Zoom meeting and talks. Thank you.